tell you something. So Burlington, they have some items. I don't know if the stuff is made out of chinchilla. I know some of you guys like, what? Okay, honey. Okay, I'm serious. If I'm lying, I'm flying. Okay, but the stuff feel good. Okay. When the last time you been to Burlington? Okay, the people wants to know, honey. I just want to know. Okay. Burlington, they have these gift sets over here. These are $13, okay, and this is like the BB Plum Jasmine foot soap. This is for your feet and stuff. They also have the Love Bug Sweet Pea Kisses, Hershey Kisses. Well, this is the child, don't get me the line. 1 second. Okay, this is $8. Great stocking stuffers. Really, really good. Cinderella, they have sugar scrub. Okay, and this is $8 as well. Scented bath bomb and sugar scrub. I think this is still deal like Holyfield. They also have the berry rose scented foot scrub, and this is $13, honey. So if you are on a budget or so, or you just don't want to break the bank, okay, because you like you're gonna have money left over, I agree with you. Now this is $10, and it has like the beauty sleep, the rose, let me see, sleep mist, soap petals, pillow mist, and body scrub. Really, really cute, honey. You can come to Burlington and get you about 4 or 5 gifts for one person, okay, or 8 gifts. I done went from 4 to 5 to 8. Child, that's okay. They also have these Barbie slippers over here. Let me see how much these are. Okay, these are $10.99, $11. Okay, they was $15, but Burlington said, no, you know what? We're gonna give them a steal deal like Holyfield. Okay, Steve Mann and gift bags. Okay, this is $35. Okay, the Steve Mann and gift. Now they also have the Betsy. Now I love me some Betsy. Okay, Betsy Johnson. Betsy Johnson, you my girl. Okay, I know you probably don't even know me, Betsy, but that's okay. All right. Betsy Johnson, she has some really, really nice bag. Remember when I told you guys I used to work at the hardware store? Okay. Honey, you would be thinking I was going on a modeling show. Okay, the way I would be, wearing the bags and stuff like that. Honey, I'm looking for the price best. It's no price tag. They also have the Juicy Couture gift set right here. This is $25. The little bag with the socks, I like that. They also have this right here, this bag, $28. Really, really cute. Honey, somebody done took, child, I can't make this up. Now they also have these man and girl backpacks, okay, that comes in different colors. These are $20. Now these are cute. I like this, honey, because it got the glitter going on with it. Okay, it just look fancy Nancy. All right, and this is $17. Oh, child, what about the Paris? Which one you guys like the most? Okay, is it the Paris? Is it the disco ball? Is it the pandas? The butterfly? Which one? Let me know which one you like the most. Okay, $20. Really, really cute, especially for the little girls. All right, really nice. And I know some of you guys say, she say for the little girls a lot. Honey, I don't be seeing, us girls, we have way more accessories. Okay, all right. Now they also have this Juicy Couture bag right here as well, and this is $28. Ooh, I like this one. This is cute. $20. This Juicy. Okay, Juicy. 20. Now Burlington also has these Calvin Klein bags, which are $60. In my opinion, I think those are really overpriced because, honey, it don't seem like too much is going on with them. They have the Steve Madden bags, these little ones. I like these. These are $33. They also have the Guess bag. This one I'm not really feeling like this. This is $38. They have another Guess pink bag. Okay, this is cute. Okay, with some jeans and some jeans and a shirt, honey, like a white shirt. This is basic, but I like it because the gold details. This is $38, and this is pretty much what they working with. Okay, really, really cute. Another Juicy Couture backpack. This is $25. Let me see, honey, they running Juicy up. Okay, they like Juicy. We gonna put Juicy everywhere. This bag is cute. I like this though. All right, there's no price tag on here. Now, when it comes to bags like this with the pendants on here, oh my goodness, I love that. This is another Juicy Couture bag, and this is $25. Okay, so this is pretty much one of the things that I love about Burlington, like when it comes to like the color coordination. If you're looking for a red bag, honey, they're gonna have the red bags all together like this. Okay, now this bag is cute. This looks like real leather. Okay, oh, maybe it is because it say our leather, but this is $50, so I don't know. Okay, this is cute though. I like that. Like, you know, I'm a very detailed girl, so every little detail to me, I'm paying attention to it. Okay? Steve Madden bag, $28. Really cute. Okay, now this one, honey, it's a bit, you know, my coat is maybe shiny, but this bag is really shiny. Okay, this is $18. That's really, really inexpensive. Then they have another bag over here. Okay, let's see how much this is. $20. This is cute. I like this. Now, they also have these Steve Madden backpacks over here. Oh, I like this. The way this goes. Okay, you go snap it down, pull it up. Really, really cute. Oh, I like this. This is $35. Okay, and then they have another one. Is this Steve? No, this Tommy Hilfiger. Okay, and this is $35. I don't know. You know, when it looks like this, it just looks cheap to me. You know, if I'm keeping it real, all right? It don't look. I don't know. Well, I do know. It looks cheap. Okay, so if you're a person, you're looking for some sharp boots, okay, honey, that's what my family say, sharp, okay, when it look nice and styling and profiling, we say sharp. These boots over here are $37, these black boots. They also have some blue suede boots. These reminds me of the boots that I have from Vince Camuto, by the way, okay, and let's see how much these are. Okay, so these are $25. They also have some white boots. These are cute. These are $35. Not bad at all. Oh, let's see how much these are. I like this. Now these, honey, we are jamming and pamming. Okay, all right. Let's see how much this is. Oh, $35. Really, really cute. Okay, so they also have some more boots, some high boots. Okay, these are $35. I think pretty much. Oh, these are sharp, child. These, honey, these are. You heard what I said? These are sharp. Okay. Now I think all of these are pretty much $35. But honey, don't get me the lying. All right. Don't get me the lying. Now these are cute. Let me see. They okay. These are $25, child. Really, really cute. These Jessica Simpson slippers. Ooh, child. What is this? Chinchilla? Oh gosh, this is so soft. These are $13. Ooh, they're soft. Ooh, child. Oh no. The way these feel, these ain't got nothing on them. Now these are soft too. But honey, Jessica, that chinchilla, whatever you guys are using, honey, that feel good. Okay, so it's something about this coat that caught my eye. All right, so this is the Ellen Rees, and this is $35. Maybe it was this. Like I said, you know, I don't know what they're using. Is this chinchilla or what? But this material is so soft. Really, really cute. I like this though. All right, so Burlington also have the Lilo and Stitch over 200 front items, jumbo stationery creativity set, and let's see how much this is. Okay, so this is $13. Ooh, come with the crayons, the stickers, the drawing pad, honey. This is a great gift. Okay, great gift. They also have these shoes over here, shoes for princess, 3 and up. Okay, I like this. Okay, with the little jewels and stuff going on. Let's see, $10. Really, really good. Oh, Juicy Couture. All right, so make it read. What is this? Contains everything you need to design. Wow, trendy looks. Okay, really, really nice. I like this. I guess, you know, you just make whatever it is You get creative, okay, make it read. It says, all right, I'm trying to figure out what else it does. Okay, honey, don't get me the lying. All right, they also have these LOL door sets right here. This is really, really cute, and this is, all right, so this is really, really cool. This is an electric scooter. Let's see how much this is. Okay, so when it comes to these towers, honey, these towers look like they are so comfortable. Let's see how much these are. These are BB towers, okay? They not the softest, okay, but they look very good, all right? These are $7. Really, really nice. I absolutely love these. And these are like the long towers, not the short ones, okay? And these are $8 up here. I don't know if this is Nautica towers. Really, really cute. Okay, so they also have some plush blankets, heavyweight. These are $18. Really, really good. Nautica blanket, $25. Really, really nice. And then they also have some bedroom sets, like 7-piece comforter set. I think like bed in a bag, so to speak. Let's see how much these are. Okay, so this is $34. I mean $40, honey. We gotta get $34, still deal. Okay, so this pink sofa, this is really, really nice. I like this. Hopefully they have a price tag on here. Okay, so this is $200. Not bad at all. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I like this with the gold legs. Really, really cute. How do you guys feel about like the metal abstract wall decor? Okay, I think this is really, really cute and it's inexpensive. It'll give your wall like that pop. Okay, this is $30. Not bad at all. 48 by 24. Really, really nice. Now, if you are a person and you are looking for like artificial plants, you know, that could go in your living room or so, these are $40. These are cute. Oh, this one is nice. I like this one. Really, really nice. But I don't know. For some reason, I'm thinking like that should be outside. I don't know. Unless, honey, you got a really, really big house. Okay. Or maybe not. Okay. They also have this right here. This is $40. This plant right here. Also, this is like, you know, the artificial plant section over here. They also have these orchids. Okay, these orchids are $15. Really, really cute. So if you're a person that you like, you know, you just want to give your house like that pop. Is this a Christmas tree, honey? What happened to it? Okay. I don't know if somebody returned this or what, child. Alright, so when it comes to these candles over here, these smell really, really good. This is cranberry and pomegranate. Really, oh gosh, this smells good. Honey, I just needed to take the lid off and see how it smells. Okay, what about the beloved? Let's see how this smells. Honey, it may say beloved, but honey, you can't smell be nothing. Okay, alright, let's see about the BB. Let's see how this smells. Alright. A little bit, not as much as their cranberry and pomegranate. Okay, honey, you tell him he ain't styling and profiling. Okay, look at the Santa. Okay, now I don't know exactly where he's going with the reindeer head. Okay, now that's a little interesting, you know, to say the least. Okay, and they don't have a price tag on him to see how much this is, but this is really, really cute. And then they have one right here, really, really cute. Is he supposed to be Santa? Or I don't know. I'm a little confused. Okay, just a little confused. Okay, so a hat, I love me a good hat. I know you guys really don't see me rocking hats, but hats, caps, these are really, really cute. These Adidas, these are $24. Some of them are $26. Like this one, especially like in the springtime, child, $13. Honey, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Really, really cute. Absolutely love this. Ooh, child, what about this one now? This is $8. Child, let me find out. I need to have a hat collection. Ooh, this Adidas one right here. This yellow. Child, this is $13. Really cute. Alright, so remember how I said that Guru Nada is everywhere? He sees everything. Okay, look, so Guru Nada, At Burlington, they have the humidifier and diffuser Breathe Better at Home. This is $50, up to 46 hours mist time. I think this is a steal deal, okay? Really, really good. They also have this mini personal fridge cooler, which is $25. Mountain Dew. I like this, honey. You know the mini fridges, if they are red, honey, they popping and ain't stopping. Okay, honey, not me about to leave out the door, okay, and not show you good folks this stuff. Okay, so they have this Steve Madden set right here. Okay, this is $9. Okay, so if you're a person, you like, you know what, I'm on a budget, I gotta buy, you know, about 50 gifts or 50 gifts for several different people, honey, maybe Burlington is for you. Okay, they also have this Steve Madden with the charms on here. This is $10. Really, really cute. Okay, Jessica Simpson. I'm not into, you know, this is too big. This is $9. Okay, so they also have this crystal energy set. Okay, tap into harmonious energy with a crystal infused bracelet, and this is $9. Okay, so this is giving me Pandora, okay, without the price that Pandora wants, okay? All right, now this is $9. The comparable value is $15. This is cute. Another great stocking stuffer would be these like little earrings right here. These are $7. Really, really, really nice. Okay, but this Jessica Simpson necklace, I think this is cute. All right, with the butterfly, this is $10. Okay, so they also have another Jessica Simpson necklace, and this is cute with the little heart charm. I like this. This is $9. It look like everything is $9. And so make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Honey, let me know what was your favorite items that you seen in here. Mine was definitely, let me see, those boots, okay? The boots was nice, all right? And then also they had those, let me see, the jewelry from Jessica Simpson. That was nice as well, okay? So in between time, in the meantime, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.